Hi guys, here's my view this afternoon, 2 PM, not a bad spot. That's Kit Hill up there, I think. And it's overcast, but the air is mostly warm. It's not hot air, but warm air. And I'm just looking to see if there'll be a hole in the clouds, basically, because it would be nice for the sun to come out here. I am at the Buckland Monocorum outrigger of Dartmoor, where all the Buckland Monocorum, or Buck Mono as I call them, tours are. I'm just off from whatever the garden centre's called up there, Long Ash Garden Centre, and between there and Buckland Monocorum. I could drive further up the road, but it's annoying tight country lanes and stuff. Never know where tractors coming through. That said, it's quite quiet today on the roads. I don't know why it would be quiet, because it's a really nice day. You'd assume tons of people would be getting out. Maybe they're all working and I'm off. Which is a weird inversion. See, I'm just getting odd moments where the sunshine bursts through on the valley on the other side. Even though we're not getting it here, I think it's because I'm just looking at this vast area of hillsides, so I'm just catching when there's a hole in the clouds for someone else. There's one of the tours there. I think it's either buck tour or buckator. And there's this guy here, I don't know what he's doing. He seems to be like using an electric strimmer to cut a hole in the ferns or something. Or a path. Maybe he's path maintaining. I think he's making a path to the tour. Yeah, he's just making a path from the main track to the tour through the ferns. That's pretty good. Does he tramp down the ferns that he's cut away so they can't grow back, or what? So this guy's helping people access the tours. He's been watching some tour bagging videos and stuff, I guess. I've just noticed that that's not only Kit Hill over there, which is there, but it's also Carradon Hill with the Carradon Tours on it is over there. On Bodmin Moor, so that's interesting to know. So Bodmin Moor and Carradon Hill line up with Kit Hill when you're looking back, and then I don't know what this town is. That town might be Callington possibly, and that lines up with over here at Horrabridge, or at least this part. That's the Monocorum. Wow, it is blazing now and shorts weather. What a change. Within an hour from when I last talked to you, I think. You can still see a bunch of places in shade. In fact, there might be some shade coming in from over there. Lots of places on the moor over there are in shade. Plymouth is getting the sunshine. Typical. Tons of foxgloves out right now. Must be foxglove season, I think. Look at this little loudmouth lamb. Grass or yell? Which shall I do? Opened my car door for a microsecond and closed it. Giant wasp got in with me. Cool. No, not cool, by the way, if you're wondering.
Thank you for watching.